What is going on, everybody? So I'm working on this 2020 Lincoln Navigator, and the signature emblem does not want to turn on. What I'm checking is powers and grounds, and I noticed that I don't have ground. This is the connector pinout. So I have power here, no ground here. So we're gonna go after that, but let me show you. So, okay, on the test light, if I touch ground, it's gonna light up because I am connected to power. So if I have ground, it's gonna light up. I'm gonna show you that the middle pin, which is the ground, and I'm not poking it, I'm just barely touching it. There's nothing there, but this one, the test light to ground now. Ground, I need power. So now if we touch power, it's gonna light up. And again, let me show you that on the purple wire, the yellow purple, lights up. So let's go after the ground. So I found the ground wire, but it's open somewhere. What I did is I ran this wire to the ground on a connector, and if I supply ground with this, it turns on. But it looks like the emblem also is damaged. It was in a wreck. See, it kind of wants to turn on, and this is what I'm doing. I'm connecting it to ground, the negative lead. I'm just connecting it and disconnecting it. But it wants to turn on. That's all we're missing. Ground. The bottom part turns on, but not the top. Yep, so we have an open somewhere. So far, I'm tracing that wire, and this is where the signal is disappearing. It's here, and then it goes away. And what I noticed when I turned this, because this is where it was hit, it's that hole right there. So I'm gonna unravel it and inspect it, see if we find the broken wire. Okay, so I'm getting closer now. I am on this black and gray wire. Let's see if you can see it. Black and gray wire there, which is this black and gray wire. Right, black and gray wire. Cavity 1, 2. Am I on the right wire? Yeah. Cavity 1, the second cavity right there. So if I have this connected to positive, and if I touch any ground, it lights up. This is ground to the emblem light, and it's good here but nothing there. Actually, let me put it here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jesus. Okay. Here we go. But nothing there. And this thing was throwing me off because it's probably enough to carry. It's not making full contact to carry a load, but I guess maybe enough to carry the signal from this thing. Yeah, so it was messing me up. Always load test circuits, so I'm gonna see what I can find in that connector. Actually, let me see if I can take it off. How do you do this? Nah, I need two hands. Well, I found the problem. Look at that terminal. You can't even see it. This one, the second one. First one, second one, you can't even see the terminal, and that is a one for the ground. So let's see if I can push it inside of its cavity and see if it works. Well, so clip is broken. See on the second terminal, I can just pull it out. Even if I push it in all the way, it doesn't want to clip on. It's broken. I'm gonna talk to the customer and see what he wants to do. Actually, let me pull it out and see how it looks. Yeah, it's the plastic side of it that's broken. That little clip that holds it. It's broken. Alright, I'm gonna talk to the customer, see what he wants to do. So for now, the solution is gonna be just to glue it until we get this. But now, if I test this one, it's got a good ground now. So let's turn the key on and see where we're at. And after I poke a hole in the wires, I use liquid electrical tape just to protect them from corrosion. And as you can see, that one looks pretty good. It had a hole and I fixed it. And there is a new emblem lit up nicely. Let's turn it off and then back on. That is going to be off. And turn it back on. There it is. Nice. Well, we got it. Thanks for watching.